Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, back, welcome back. Cue the music. Welcome back, everybody, to another video, my friends, with your girl Cindy Winters. I'm so happy to be back here with you on another video episode. I'm so excited to be talking about this particular topic today. Many of you who have been following me on Instagram and just been following me, maybe you've seen me in shows, know that I'm a Broadway actor, singer, dancer, songwriter, hyphen. I've been in a few shows and I've performed with some pretty cool people, and I like eating yummy food. Yeah. But what you may not know is I love teaching. I love doing it. I love working with people. I love working with young artists. It is in my blood. In fact, my very first job was as a junior camp counselor at my dad's soccer camp when I was 11. Shout out to Coach Dad. Since I hung up my cleats, I've begun using the methods that I learned from my dad in my career as a performer. It's worked for me, and whenever I get a chance to teach, and I've been so honored and I have gotten the opportunity to teach all over the world, working with artists from Mexico, from Canada, and from Russia. Yo, those time zones, no joke. And I love it. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you some of the principles that I've used through my journey to Broadway. Welcome to Roar School. I'm working on a theme song. If you'd like to know more about Roar School, go ahead and click the link down below in the description. It'll take you to my website and you can get more information. So let's begin. Roar stands for resourceful, optimistic, authentic, and reliant. What the heck does that mean? I'm gonna break it down for you as we go along in our journey together. So today, I'm gonna talk about what it means to be a resourceful performer. What the heck does that mean? It means that you are a person who can figure things out and get things done. You are a problem solver, not a problem causer. We have enough of those. Get out of here. The writer exposes the problem. The director brings people together to steer on a journey to a solution, and the actors, we as an audience member, follow the actors through that journey. So as a resourceful actor, it is up to you to have a bag of many tricks so you can jam. And when I say jam, I mean just act, man. Here are a few ways of how to become a resourceful actor. Be a good listener. It should be easy, right? Sounds simple. Life is happening all around you, all the time. Activities are going on just in your own life, with people in your own life. So just listen to what's going on. Be aware of your environment at all times. Be aware of the scenario and the situation you're walking into. Take a look around. See who's out here in these streets. So that way, you can get a good idea of how you conduct yourself in a space. Always check your energy first before walking into a space. It helps you adjust well, and it helps others adjust to you. Be willing to try new things. It can be scary. When someone asks you to do something that you've never done before, be willing to say yes and explore that and find the play within that. Have fun. Because you'll never know if you end up liking something that you've never done before. So just be open and be willing to try new things and go on new adventures. Know yourself. There's a saying, to thine own self be true. So you gotta know yourself. Once you feel like you know yourself, you're gonna find out that at every step of the way in your life, you're gonna have an opportunity to learn more about yourself. Through the experiences that you have and the activities that you partake in and the friends you meet and the people you meet along your way in life, you're gonna learn so much more about yourself. I'm a grown-up, I'm kind of a grown-up, and I'm learning about myself all the time. So know yourself, know what feels good to you, what you like, what you're willing to learn, and then learn more about yourself. Here's another one. This is particularly when you're on stage. So you're in a play at school. It's a play or a musical that you've heard of before, right? You've had the opportunity to go on YouTube and find different versions of the same musical, and you are ready to perform it. Wait, before you do that, go ahead and look up as many options of that play or of that musical as you possibly can. Every time you watch something different, a different video of the same thing, you're gonna get something different out of it. And then you're gonna take a little bit of all of those things that you saw and put them together piece by piece, and you will create your own way of doing something. What feels good to you? And this comes down to just making choices and making the choice to pull and be inspired and create your own version of whatever musical you're putting on. When I first started, this is before the interwebs, I was cast in a summer production of Really Rosie by Maurice Sendak. It's based on a children's book. It was a cool show. It was my first time being in a musical ever. I was in the 6th grade. I really wanted Rosie. It's the name of the character and the name of the show. But there was this girl who had already had experience in acting. She was doing community theater and some regional theater, I think. She had already had experience, and so they trusted her to be Rosie. When I auditioned, I got the role of Pierre. I was kind of bummed out about getting the role of Pierre. It wasn't Rosie, first of all. Secondly, he had this song called I Don't Care. And what I didn't realize when I first found out that I was going to be Pierre was I had an opportunity to create a completely original Pierre. I can make Pierre me. Yeah, I have the freedom to make Pierre me. And honestly, Pierre had a song called I Don't Care, and you better trust and believe in the 6th grade, when everyone was making fun of me and calling me names and bullying me and you know, stuff that happens when you're in the 6th grade, it's gonna happen to everybody. Don't worry about that stuff later. It won't affect you later on in life. I got teased, for sure, for sure. And one thing that I used to say all the time was, I don't care. And that was Pierre's song. It was like an anthem by the time I got done with it. What would you like to eat? I don't care. Some lovely cream of wheat. I don't care. There was a lion. There's a whole story about Pierre. Anyway, I digress. So I decided in that moment that I was going to make a choice to make Pierre my own. And I strongly encourage all of you out there who are looking to just shoot out and shine, do it, and do it boldly. Make those bold choices. Punch fear in the face. As we continue on to talking about being resourceful, I always look at inspiration. Who are my influences? As an actor, I pull from different influences throughout my life, and also actors that I see on TV and film and stage. I've kind of comprised a super power flower ninja having way too much ish. Super power flower ninja having way too much ish. Whoa. So my influences are Kristen Bell, Viola Davis, and Lucy Liu. Lucy Liu as a Ren Ishii in Kill Bill. But she fly though, she fly. And between my own life experience and the influences of those women watching them, I was able to begin rehearsals, create a giant bag of all kinds of different choices, experiences, influences that I could use to help my performance. And then the director comes in and they go, okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. And the director is there to help shape you and mold all the things that you are giving. If you found this video super helpful, thank you so much. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. I will be posting more videos like this as we go through the ROAR method. I'll see you real soon. I love you. Take care of yourself. Take care of your heart. Peace.